So you are wondering if this Galaxy Z Fold 8 screen protector is easy to install and still works with the S Pen. So I'm going to show you. The brand sent this to me to make a video for you guys, showing how it works. This kit is designed to help protect both the inner folding screen and the front display, using flexible TPU film for the foldable screen and glass protection for the front. It also comes with an alignment frame and installation accessories to make positioning easier, even if you have never installed a screen protector before. The goal is to have your protection ready before you start using your new Fold 8, because preventing everyday scratches is much easier than dealing with screen damage later. Since I'm showing the kit without the phone itself, this is an accessory overview rather than a long-term install review, but you can still see what's included and how the installation system is designed. The inner film is made to flex as the phone opens and closes, while the listing also claims the material can gradually reduce the appearance of minor scratches and small bubbles within 24 hours. That does not mean everyday bubble or deeper scratch will disappear, so careful installation is still important. People ask me a couple of questions about this product. First, is it compatible with the S Pen? According to the listing, the thin TPU surface supports full S Pen functionality and is designed to maintain smooth touch sensitivity. I have not tested that claim on an actual Fold 8 here, so I will still make sure you are using an S Pen model that Samsung officially supports with your phone. Second, how long does the installation take? The brand does not provide an exact installation time. As an estimate, I will allow around 5 to 10 minutes to clean the screen, remove any dust, position your phone in the alignment frame, and apply the protector carefully. Watching the company's installation tutorial before starting should also prevent alignment mistakes. Small bubbles may settle within 24 hours, according to the listing, but dust trapped underneath will normally require correction. Overall, this kit is worth considering if you are preparing a new Galaxy Z Fold 8 and wanting protection for both displays with a beginner-friendly alignment system. I'll also leave the link in this video so you can take a closer look.